Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation. I'm Damian, and today we're presenting vitamin K, which is the vitamin I chose to present. So let's get right into it. So what is vitamin K? Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin. It comes in two forms, vitamin K1, which is also known as this P word right here, which I will not try to pronounce because I will sit here butchering the word intensely. This vitamin, or vitamin K1, is mainly found in plant-based foods. And then there's vitamin K2, which is also referred to as another word I cannot pronounce, which starts with an M. And this is mainly found in animal based foods, different meats and stuff like that. Vitamin K is a nutrient that our body needs to stay healthy. It provides the aid that we need, such as aid in blood clotting and aid in our bones and maintaining healthy bones, which is well needed to stay healthy. But yeah, origins and early uses. The discovery of vitamin K came in 1929, though some sources point to late 1928. It's around that time, but most of the sources that I found mainly stated 1929. The scientist behind this discovery was Danish researcher Henrik Dam. He had experimented on chickens, is what I believe the whole article I found was they conducted research on chickens. They tested different diets on chickens, seeing how these diets affected blood and blood clotting, and thus just came the discovery of vitamin K, which is pretty interesting to learn about. Foods that come with vitamin K. So foods that are rich in vitamin K1 are things like spinach, kale, mustard greens, collard greens, beet greens, escarole, probably butchered that word pretty hard, and turnip greens. There are also things like beans, peas, kidney beans, chickpeas, green beans, green peas, soybeans, things like that. So for vitamin K2, as I mentioned, it's a lot of meats. There's chicken breast. I found sauerkraut to be one. High fat dairy products, porks, and cheeses. These are all rich in vitamin K2, more of like the meaty side of things. Now, why is it important to make sure you maintain your vitamin K upkeep? It's important. Blah. It's important because it plays, like I mentioned, a crucial role in blood clotting. One of its main purposes is to create four of the 13 proteins needed for blood clotting. If you're deficient in this area, it can lead to like extreme bleeding when you get cut or get injured. It can lead to like bruises and stuff. Being vitamin deficient does come with symptoms. Some of the symptoms being vomiting, bruising, as I mentioned, especially in the head, nosebleeds. You'd have frequent nosebleeds, and those nosebleeds would be kind of hard to stop. You'd get pale skin, and in worst case scenarios, you could even have seizures, which is pretty scary. But yeah, that's why it's good to make sure you maintain your vitamin K upkeep. And some fun facts I found about vitamin K. These are just some little extra little tidbits I found. Vitamin K helps protect against heart disease and reduces the amount of plaque that builds up in heart arteries, which is pretty good. Pretty cool little note to know. It's always good to have a healthy heart because it's pretty scary to have health problems or heart problems. But yeah, helps protect against teeth. Uh, Helps protect teeth from decay, which is another good thing. You always want those nice, bright, white teeth. And vitamin K also may protect against Alzheimer's disease. Now, this one I did do a little bit of research on, and I say may because it doesn't initially like prevent it or cure it. It just sort of helps it. It like helps it a lot more, which is a pretty good benefit. So, a lot of recommendations for those who are um, diagnosed with Alzheimer's is to give vitamin K, which is something I didn't know. But yeah, other than that, that was everything. And yeah, this is everything about vitamin K. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.